Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick video about resources for your Native American populations project. So again, this week I've asked you to research a Native American tribe, preferably from the Ohio region. There are many, although I'm pretty easy to please on this, so as long as you choose a Native American tribe that you think is interesting, I do recommend you choose one that you think is interesting. So you can begin with your random kind of Google searches if you want, but those should not be your reliable resources. I always think of Wikipedia as a good door opener. It kind of gets you in the door to the information you need, where you can get some search terms. But really, you should be using some more reliable sources than Wikipedia. So what I'm going to do right now is show some really great resources that you guys happen to have. And I think I've showed them to you before. These will work for any research assignment you have for me. So the first is this website, InfoHio. Okay, so it shares the O from info, as in information, and the O from Ohio. So one O in the middle, infohio.org. So if you go to infohio.org, let me actually go back one page. It looks like this, infohio.org up here, you see? Okay, and if you go there, sorry, I just gotta get out of this. You'll see these grades. Now we're not gonna, not us, not us, not us. Bingo, there it is. Want to click on the red one, high school. Okay, now all of these, now if you're like a college student, this is a gold mine. Okay, these are all databases that people pay for. These are subscriptions. It's almost like having all of the newspapers in the world at your hands. This is amazing. Now, the Academic Search Premier is really good for literature stuff. I'll use it often if I need you guys to analyze The Great Gatsby or anything we're reading in class, for example. And it looks like this. So when you click on it, it'll look like this. Okay. And you just need to be thoughtful about your search terms. If you've done any Googling and you know what tribe you want to do, that'll be a better place to start, likely. But just for example, I did Ohio tribe. Okay, and this is what I got. Now, this looks like a modern thing. Miami, Indigenous People of North America. That's pretty awesome. What's that look like? Okay, and this is some short article about them. That looks a little too short to me. Delaware, Indigenous People of North America. Dope. Shawnee, Indigenous people of. So you can get a little bit of information right here, and some will be better than others. Now, I don't love the Academic Search Premier for this assignment. Okay, it might work better on some others, but what I do like for this assignment is the World Book. This is an encyclopedia. So if I click on it here, that's Gandhi in the back. Let's do Ohio Native Americans. Okay, interesting. Tecumseh, Pontiac, Delaware. Check this out. Okay, so we have some basic information right here. And maybe the best part, how to cite. Boom. Notice the access date. So if you do go back and use it, you'll probably have to change. The access date should be the most recent. So I think this is really reliable, and this is so great that you guys have access to this. You have no idea, like, people have to pay for this stuff. You usually can't get it out of college. It's kind of short, but maybe that's all you need for your assignment. Okay, so I do recommend the World Book Student. You can try the Academic Search from here, but I don't recommend it for this particular assignment. In the future, it's my favorite one for more literature-based stuff. This is more historical and geographical. So do check out that World Book. It has the citation stuff for you. Check out your formatting and use the wrap folder if you need it. You guys know how to do this by now. You're juniors. This should be your optimal time where you guys are sort of looking at information that is interesting to us, is relevant to us and our culture, and you're taking the skills from last year that I taught you to make the best essays you can. All right. As a senior, you might not have me. So this is kind of the year to do this stuff right. If you have any questions, of course, please reach out to me. I do look forward to checking out your presentations. And yeah, have a good week, guys, and I'll see you on Thursday. Bye-bye.